This is how you get your battery out of your 24 frame bike or 23 race bike. It's a different animal. This front of it clips. There's a bolt right here. This little piece here can come off if you want. I highly suggest you take the tank off, but you don't necessarily have to. You have your ECU and different parts that fit up here. Things are zip tied here and here. I would cut the zip ties. I would take this stuff out. I would pull these cables to the side. It'll make it much easier to pull up. This 8mm bolt is going to come out right here, and at that point it will come up. There's just a clip right here and your battery will come out. One thing I am going to suggest to you though is, since these things are both exposed, when you take this one off, take the negative one off first, at least put a piece of tape over it so something doesn't accidentally touch the positive to the negative, cause a spark, because you're going to find out that this rubber cover actually doesn't fit over the top of it and cover it. So I've actually sliced the bottom of it, so this will fold down, the cover will come up over and at least cover this positive, at least for some butt coverage, so something doesn't spark between them right next to your gas tank. So with that out, pull it away. Now we're going to see if we can put a better battery in here. I don't know if we can, because they've kind of stuck it to us, but let's see you next video. Thanks for watching.